guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, super excited, we're going to be doing a Jeffree Star Mystery Box unboxing. So we're actually going to do a few of the mystery box unboxings. So I have gotten some of his mystery boxes in the past. The first launch was awesome. I loved most of the products that I got. Second one, I did get a lot of repeats. So I'm super excited to see what I get in these boxes. Okay, so if you guys want to see what I got, then let's just get to it. So I'm going to start with the smallest box here. I believe this one was $20 if I'm remembering correctly. Got my handy dandy scissors. Alright, let's see what I got. Okay, so inside we have some green tissue paper. And then you move it, first thing I see is this lime pop socket here. The pop sockets always come in all of his mystery boxes. I have a red one, I have a black and pink one, and now I have a lime colored one. So we have the pop socket, and then we have two liquid lips. So the first velour liquid lipstick is Scandal. And this looks like it's oh my gosh, the packaging is so pretty. I might actually have this one already. Let's swatch it. Yeah, so it's a really pretty kind of like freesia pinkish purple color. I don't know if you guys can see that color, but super pretty shade. I think it'll look really nice on my skin tone. So next lip we got is Human Nature, which I don't think I have this shade. This packaging is everything. It's so pretty. It has pink glitter going all the way from the top, drifting down to the bottom and fading out. I love that. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like a brownie, purpley nude almost. So that's just what Human Nature looks like right there. I can definitely see myself wearing that shade, and this packaging is literally to die for. I'm obsessed. So overall, not a bad box for 20 bucks. Two velour liquid lips and a pop socket. Next, we're going to open up one of the medium-sized box. I did get two of these, so I'm going to open another one next. If I can get this tape undone. Alright, so I finally got the tape undone, so let's open her up. We have some green tissue paper again. And when you open it, what do we got? Oh snap! So it looks like we have a liquid frost, some velour liquid lips, a bullet lipstick, and then another pop socket. This pop socket is orange, so at this point I might as well just start a little Jeffree Star pop socket collection because I have like 5 now. So I got the shade Jeffree's Girl in the Lip Ammunition. Is this a pink shade? I really love the packaging of these. They're super cute. Oh yeah, so this is definitely a pink shade here. Which this definitely has some like moisture. I don't know if that's normal, but there's definitely like moisture all around it. So I'll have to look into that just to make sure that's totally cool to like put on my lips. So I don't want to swatch this one right just yet. Next I received Can't Relate, which I did get in the last box and I had already purchased it. So now this is my third one that I have. This is just what it looks like here. I want to say this was from the Christmas collection. It's a really, really nice nude shade. Don't want to swatch that one though because I want to save that for like my friends since I already have it. Then we have another velour liquid lip, which, oh, this is totally the one that he said was going to be in the mystery boxes that you can't get in anything else. So it's a question mark. It has a little question mark there. I wonder what color it is. Oh, okay, so it's a pretty pink shade. I would totally wear that. That's a super pretty kind of soft pink. I love it. So pretty. So that's just what the question mark shade looks like. And then for the liquid frost, I received Ice Queen. I think I already have this one. This is the, yeah, the pale pink one here. I really do like his packaging though for the liquid frost. The like matted packaging is really nice, the frosted packaging. And then when you twist it up, it turns into a little dropper, and then you can just press that and then drop some highlight on your face. So that is Ice Queen swatched. Really, really pretty shade. Alright, and here is the first of my medium boxes. Not bad. I did get one color I already have and a liquid frost that I already have. And curious to why there's moisture on the lipstick, so I'll definitely have to look into that. But definitely not a bad selection for the price of $45 and for it being a mystery. Okay, so it's time to open my second premium box. For some reason this box does not want to open. Like, oh, I don't want to rip it. Okay, finally I got it undone, so let's see. We got some pink packaging in there. See what I got. Alright, so it looks like the exact same thing as the last box, so let's see if they're the same shades. Got another orange pop socket, starting my collection. Did get that mysterious shade. Again, the question mark, that was only available in these mystery boxes, so it might have to either do a giveaway or give this to a friend. I also got Can't Relate again, so it's looking like the mystery boxes are all the same. Jeffree's Girl again. I wonder if this one has moisture on it. Yeah. So this one also has moisture like all around it. Really weird. I'm gonna have to look into that. And now I have a third Ice Queen. So that's super exciting. Alright, so everything from the second premium box. Same exact items, different tissue paper. Okay, so I hope you guys had fun unboxing those with me. Kind of wish the premium boxes were all different and not all the same, so I could have got some different like varieties of them. I'm going to try to link one of the past mystery boxes that I did if you guys want to check those out. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the mystery boxes. Do you guys think it's worth it? Would you purchase one yourself? If he comes out with them again in the future, would you want to purchase them then as well? Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Until my next one, bye!